Acid reflux occurs when part of the esophagus relaxes at the wrong time, pushing stomach acid up through the esophagus, where it isn't required. A major part of the esophagus is the lower sphincter muscle located at the lower end of the esophagus. Numerous food sources can influence and even fuel indigestion, so know about those as well. Bananas. It is the best antidote for acid reflux and is great for snacking purposes. Potassium in bananas produces mucus in the lining of the stomach, thus lowering the pH levels in the body. Also, bananas are high in fiber, which can help to strengthen the digestive system as well, and are a great source of roughage. Eating overripe bananas during summer is the best way to keep acidity at bay. Peaches. This fuzzy little fruit belongs to the stone family, which indicates it has one large middle seed. It consists of calcium, iron, magnesium, vitamins A, B6, B12, and C. It is known to be very helpful while tackling diabetes, skin problems, colorectal cancer, etc. It is low in acid content and good for sufferers of acid reflux. Oatmeal. Fiber and clean protein are great ideas to help ward off and relieve symptoms of acid reflux. Oatmeal is full of clean protein and tons of fiber. Fiber promotes intestinal health. This popular breakfast staple is also an excellent source of gluten-free whole grains. Some who experience acid reflux may also have a sensitivity to gluten, so it can be helpful to add more gluten-free and grain-free options to your diet. You will get a healthy dose of fiber and protein, and help to avoid any symptoms that arise should acid reflux flare up for you. Green vegetables. If you like green vegetables and have acid reflux, you're in luck. Asparagus, spinach, kale, and Brussels sprouts all are highly alkaline, meaning they're good for your stomach and digestive system. Being naturally low in fat and sugar, vegetables also help lessen stomach acid. Melons. The melon family of fruits can be another great choice for those who suffer from acid reflux frequently. That is because melons are another type of alkaline fruit, rich in magnesium, with a low pH level of only 6.1. That pH level shows that melons are only slightly acidic, so they are a great choice for those with acid reflux or GERD. Melons are high in potassium and other alkalizing minerals. This popular fruit is high in antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin A, and amino acids. Due to its high water content, it helps in digestion and keeping the body hydrated. It neutralizes the acid in the stomach, reducing the reflux. Probiotic foods. Probiotic foods can be great to prevent or relieve symptoms of acid reflux, because they directly promote healthy bacteria in the gut, and help to promote better digestion as well. Probiotic foods can also help you lose weight, improve digestion overall, boost immunity, and even enhance skin health. Balancing gut bacteria is essential for overall health. Choose foods that are low in acid, high in alkalizing minerals, fiber, and try to understand what works best for you.